Your kidneys are small, but they play a powerful role in keeping you healthy, filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. But did you know that what you eat can either protect your kidneys or speed up damage? Today, we'll explore the best diet for optimal kidney health based on the latest research and clinical guidelines. The KDIGO 2024 Clinical Practice Guideline recommends a diet that's predominantly plant-based, with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, while cutting back on red meat, processed foods, and excess salt. Both the Mediterranean diet and the DASH diet, endorsed by the American Heart Association, are excellent for kidney health. They emphasize whole foods, low-fat dairy, legumes, nuts, and heart-healthy fats like olive oil. Studies show these diets not only lower blood pressure and protect the heart, but also reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Research shows that eating more fish, legumes, and whole grains lowers kidney disease risk. On the other hand, high red meat consumption increases your chances of developing kidney problems. For patients who already have kidney disease, protein intake needs to be carefully balanced. Guidelines from KDIGO and the American Diabetes Association suggest about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram per day, enough for strength, but not so much that it stresses the kidneys. Sodium is another key player. Keep your salt intake under 2,300 milligrams per day to help control blood pressure and protect your kidneys. Potassium needs to be individualized. Some people benefit from more, while others with kidney disease may need to limit it, depending on their blood test results. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods is best. They provide fiber, healthy fats, and micronutrients that reduce inflammation and support your gut microbiome, further protecting your kidneys. And remember, if you're living with kidney disease, working with a renal dietitian can make a huge difference, tailoring your diet to your exact needs. So the formula is simple: more plants, less processed food, moderate protein, and controlled sodium. Your kidneys will thank you for it. I'm Dr. GT. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips.